The age of uncrewed systems has arrived for the Canadian Armed Forces and Canada's defense industry. The leadership of the Canadian Armed Forces has recognized the strategic advantage that remotely operated weapon systems can bring to intelligence, surveillance, combat, and security operations. In CDR's recent Uncrewed Systems report titled Canada's Uncrewed Revolution from Volume 31, Issue 5, we look at a few of the systems in chain for acquisition by the CAF. The Schiebel Camcopter S-100 drone will be deployed on the RCN's Halifax-class ships. MDA Space has secured contracts to supply the drones equipped with advanced sensors like synthetic aperture radar and wide-area optical systems. The rotary wing VTOL UAV needs no runway and can take off and land vertically on ships or small landing pads. Missions are largely autonomous via GPS waypoints, but can be retasked in flight by an operator as real-time digital video, and data are sent back to the control station over secure links with the range of up to 200 kilometers. The drones are already in service with over 20 NATO nations, delivering reliable maritime ISR in challenging environments. According to the manufacturer, the RCN will be acquiring up to 6 of the S-100 drones for maritime surveillance operations. The General Atomics Aeronautical Systems MQ-9B SkyGuardian aircraft is now in the implementation phase for the CAF. The remotely piloted system is designed for long-endurance ISR missions, such as border security and the ever-growing importance of patrolling Canada's northern regions. The aircraft has an operational endurance of over 40 hours operating at a ceiling of 40,000 feet and a cruising speed of 370 to 390 kilometers per hour. In practical terms, this means MQ-9B can loiter for many hours over land or sea, carry a diverse set of sensors and weapons, operate safely in poor weather and busy airspace, and provide continuous ISR and strike support at a fraction of the cost of manned aircraft. The first Canadian-designated CQ-9B is slated for delivery in 2028, with full operational capability expected in 2033. The Kinetic Hammerhead Mark II Uncrewed Surface Vehicle, or USV, is an advanced naval training target designed to simulate a fast inshore attack craft. Powered by a 3-liter Mercruiser engine with 135 horsepower, the Hammerhead can reach speeds up to 37 knots or 68 kilometers per hour. The Royal Canadian Navy uses it for gunnery testing for the Phalanx armaments and as validation of shipboard radar and targeting systems. With high maneuverability, the Hammerhead can simulate straight-on, high-speed attacks, crossing patterns, zigzag patterns, and other evasive maneuvers. The craft can also be deployed as a swarm of up to 40 boats to replicate real-world naval threats. During the recent Trident Fury 2025 exercises, it was loaded with live explosives and used as a kamikaze drone to attack another Hammerhead, thereby extending the boundaries of its armed, uncrewed capabilities. The Hammerhead is the UAV target system of choice for the navies of several NATO countries. Looking into the near future, the Royal Canadian Air Force is exploring autonomous collaborative platforms. The Kratos Valkyrie XQ-58A aircraft is one such vehicle that could come under consideration by the RCAF. The vehicle is still in the experimental and prototyping phase, but is playing a central role in how U.S. forces develop collaborative combat aircraft concepts. The Loyal Wingman concept teams these less expensive, semi-autonomous, uncrewed aircraft with fighters like the F-35 and F-22 for deployment into more dangerous missions, thereby reducing the risk to the piloted aircraft.
Logging.
The Valkyrie is runway independent in that it can be launched from a mobile trailer using rocket boosters. Its single turbofan engine can propel it to high subsonic speeds of up to Mach 0.7 with an operational range of roughly 5,500 kilometers. Its internal bay and wing hardpoints can carry precision air-to-surface weapons, air-to-air missiles or electronic warfare, and ISR payloads. The aircraft uses mission computer and AI software to execute pre-planned tasks, fly autonomously, or, when required, its systems can be controlled by an accompanying fighter jet pilot. It is clear that the uncrewed systems era for Canada's armed forces is well underway. These autonomous and semi-autonomous systems will deliver transformational capabilities to redefine intelligence surveillance, combat, and logistical operations. Taken together, they represent a new dynamic area of growth for Canadian defense companies, today and in the decades to come. To read the full report on Canada's uncrewed systems industry, pick up Volume 31, Issue 5.